time. So we had discussed this. Question number 8. There was one correction in the question. Okay, dear? There is one correction in the question. This one, the one which I have highlighted in green. Now am I clearly audible? Screen share is visible? Okay, fine. Thank you, Nandini. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the correction in the sum beta. Actually, it's a printing error. This one, opening stock of raw material wala. Okay. Yeah. I guess I had highlighted this yesterday. हाँ, ये opening stock of raw material दिया था. It was printed twice. So this is actually correction. So it is closing stock. It is not opening stock. ठीक है? Fine. So opening stock of raw material, add to raw material, purchase of raw material will be added to raw material. Okay, Shreyas, my voice is again breaking. Okay. Actually, there is a problem today with the Zoom app. Since morning, I'm facing this problem. Yeah, it is showing me some error code because of this, because of which this glitch is coming. Now I'm audible? Now is it clear? अच्छा चलो ठीक है फाइन. मैंने थोड़ा माइक सेटिंग्स भी और हाई कर दिया, जबकि मैं नॉर्मल पे रखती हूँ, आज एकदम हाई पर है. ओके फाइन, चलो cool. Okay, so carriage outward, selling and distribution, direct wages, this all we had discussed. Direct power, I told you the word direct is used before power, so we will treat it as a direct cost under direct expenses. Then technical director's salary. Okay, don't look at the word director's salary and put it under admin. The word technical director means a person who is an engineer and who looks after the repairs, maintenance, and anything related to the factory assets. Okay, that is why his salary will go to factory overheads. Factory rent rates, factory sale of factory scrap less from factory overheads, depreciation on factory building, factory overheads, closing WIP less from factory overheads, factory stationery. Because they have said it is factory stationery, so I'm taking it in factory overheads. Otherwise, if it is only stationery, it will go to admin overheads. Okay. Depreciation on factory building, factory overheads. Okay, this we have done. Opening stock of finished goods, add to COP. Closing stock of raw material, less from raw material. Fees to brand ambassador, selling and distribution. Stationery and printing. See, I told you, na, if it is stationery, if it is only stationery, it is a part of office, so it will go to admin. Staff salary, admin. Okay, next. Trade discount, it will not come in cost sheet because it's a financial expense. That is, we treat it as a non-cost item. Office rent will go to office. Free samples, selling and distribution, closing stock of finished goods, less from COP. sales are made to earn profit at the rate 10% on cost price. ये तो हर sum में होगा, by default होगा. Okay, so start there. Note down that. Note number 1. I have been telling you all always. Any expense you are not taking in cost sheet, you have to write a note. Okay, any expense you are not noting down in cost sheet or you're ignoring for the purpose of calculation of total cost, note is compulsory. So here what we are not taking, only there is one expense, trade expense. So write down trade expense is a financial expense excluded from cost sheet. Or you can write trade expense is a non-cost item excluded from cost sheet. Both the notes have the same meaning. Then we know this formula we keep using, cost plus profit is equal to sales वाला. ठीक है, बेस क्या है, cost price is the base. So as I keep telling you all, base is always 100, profit is 10, so go reverse, cost will be 90. Clear? Don't forget all these minute details. This is very important. Okay, now come to your cost sheet. Prepare a cost sheet. Okay, give the heading, cost sheet for the year ended. Year is not given, so just put a dash. Okay, units produced, sold, not given. That means it's a type 1 sum, right? We are still in type 1, huh, students? Yeah. So CPU column नहीं बनाओगे तो भी चलेगा, बनाया तो खाली जाएगा, as you all know, because there are no quantities. So what will you divide? Nothing. Okay, so start with this direct cost. Direct material cost. Opening stock 1,10,000. Add purchase 8,25,000. Closing stock 36,920. Okay, inner column total, take it in the outer column. Direct wages 4,21,400. Direct expenses, under that you have direct power, 25,840. Yeah. 1,10,000 plus 8 lakh. Is the screen share visible? Is the screen share visible? Acha, no. Okay, fine. Now? Now I guess it's visible, right? Okay, fine. Thanks, Riddhi. So my raw material consumed was 8,98,080 plus my direct wages 4,21,400 plus direct expenses 25,840. That makes it to 13,45,320. Okay, that's my prime cost. Okay. Then add your indirect cost to this. Indirect cost, what are you going to add first? Obviously, factory. Yeah. So factory, what do you have? Technical director's salary 4590. Factory rent, rates and taxes 10,140. Factory buildings depreciation 75,200. And factory related stationery 12,340. Okay. ओके, फिर क्या करना है आपको? इन सबका टोटल लेना है, ग्रॉस फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स बराबर, विच टोटल फ्रॉम हियर टिल हियर 40,590 टिल 12,340. वेरीफाई भी करते हैं, चलो 4590 प्लस 10,140 plus 75,200 plus 12,340. So the answer is 1,38,270. Less sale of factory scrap 1,460. So my answer is 1,36,810. So इसको बोलते हैं factory overheads. ठीक है? 1,38,270 is not factory overheads. That is gross factory overheads. So net factory overheads is how much? 1,36,810. Okay? Try and अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस ना बच्चा. हाँ, ये मत समझो 1,38,270 भी फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स है, नहीं, वो ग्रॉस फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स है. अपने को नेट फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स चाहिए आफ्टर सेलिंग द स्क्रैप. ओके. ठीक है, इनर आउटर याद रहेगा ना, वो हमेशा याद रखने का, इनर कॉलम टोटल इन द आउटर कॉलम एंड देन आउटर कॉलम टोटल विद द प्रीवियस टोटल. ओके, so 1,36,810 plus my prime cost 13,45,320. So my answer is 14,82,130. This is called as my gross factory cost. ठीक है, then add opening stock of WIP. It is not there in the question, so write 0 or you can write nil or you can put a dash. It's up to you. Okay, less closing stock of WIP 1,20,260. इसमें से माइनस कर दो 1,20,260. So my answer is 13,61,870. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? नेट फैक्ट्री कॉस्ट. ठीक है, next admin overheads. Okay, under admin overheads we have only 3 items. Which one? Office rent 60,000, office salary 6,30,000. Okay, yeah. And printing and stationery 12,200. Okay. The students, the question, the PDF file which I have given, it is actually given out from a book. Since you guys don't have book right now, obviously, and I am not even, pitching on purchasing one. No need to spend money. Okay, I'm sending you all the PDF now. Yeah. Okay. So there may be certain places where the questions, what do you call, the figures may not be that visible. Okay, it will not happen for all the sums. Few sums, yes, few, 1 or 2, not more than that. Okay, so printing and stationery. Yeah, let's do the total. 6,30,000 plus 60 is how much? 6,90,000. So 6,90,000 plus 12,200. So my answer is 7,02,200. Okay, this in the outer column. Don't forget inner outer part. Yeah, that's very important in cost sheet. Inner and outer column, you should know to identify when to take in inner column, when to take in outer column, how to total, what to total. Okay, so फिर क्या? Same thing. Add the previous total, right? Yeah. Plus my gross factory cost 13,61,870. Sorry, 13,61,870. So it is 20,64,070. Okay, so that is my cost of production. $20,64,070. Then add opening stock of finished goods, less closing stock of finished goods. Opening stock is 45,280. Closing stock is 50,240. And students, don't forget to subtract closing stock. That is the reason we put it under bracket, so that on calci when you do it, you remember, अरे हाँ इसको minus करना है, वरना गलती से add कर दोगे. ठीक है, ये सब minute चीजें आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. You have to be what do you call, alert when you are doing the calculations. Plus 45,280 minus 50,240. So my answer is 20,59,110. So this is my cost of goods sold. Okay, cost of goods sold. Fine. Students, start giving your attendance, dear. Then selling and distribution overheads. Free samples. Okay, free samples. 20,320. Brand ambassadors fees 2 lakhs. Huh? It's not 20,000, it is 2 lakhs. I was talking about this amount, which may not be that very clear in the question, in the pick of the question. Brand ambassador fees. It is 2 lakhs. Okay. And carriage outward 28,500. Okay. Then inner column total. Take it in the outer column. 20,320 plus 2 lakhs plus 28,500. So my answer is 2,48,820. 2,48,820. Okay. Then you know outer column ka total will be done with the previous total. 20,59,110 plus this. Sorry, it is 20,59,110 plus 2,48,820. 23,07,930. 23,07,930. Okay. Right? Then what? Profit sales नहीं दिया है, but उसके related information दिया है, right? Our note number 2. Right? Okay, it is on cost price. Okay. It's on cost price, dear. Yeah. So base will be, yeah, cost will be 100. Okay, profit will be 10. So this will be 110. This is the base. Okay, rectify it. This one. Okay, we took sales 100. Okay. But I just checked it. I said cost is the base. I highlighted it in green also, but then I took sales me 100. Okay. This can happen with you guys also. Right now, after all, we all are humans. Error is possible with us. Okay. Yeah. So that is the best way. You should always double check. That is the reason I always double check my answers also. Okay. Noted this? Everyone made a note of this. Note number 2 को rectify किया सबने. Acknowledge it in the chat box. Note number 2, is it rectified? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, fine, great. स्वप्निल ने क्या भेजा है? 25,38,723 sales. Okay, let's see. Swapnil, even I'll do it. Let's check. है ना, ये 100, ये 10, so ये 110. ओके, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो आप लोगों को पता है. ओके, चलो लेट्स चेक इन कैलसी. Into 110 divided by 100. Okay, so Swapnil, your answer is correct. 25,38,723. 25,38,723. ठीक है. Okay. Next check profit. Profit, fine. 2307,930 into 10 divided by 100. 2,37,93. 2,37,93. Okay, you can double check this answer also. How? Selling price minus cost price is profit. So let us double check the answer. 25,38,723 minus cost price 23,07,930. See, answer is right. Clear? Got it? Is the question clear to everyone? Okay, yes, Swapnil, your profit is also right. ठीक है, double check आता है अभी करना. Acknowledge it in the chat box. Now you guys understand how to double check the answer also, the final answer of profit. Yeah, you can cross multiply and then you can double check it by selling price minus cost price करके. ठीक है? Yeah, it is always better to double check, dear. To reconfirm is always better. Because उससे आपको पता चलता है नहीं right आया तो समझता है okay कुछ तो mistake किया. So you can then at least you have that window open कि you can go and rectify. Okay, if you don't know, if you don't have the skills to verify your sum, then I may not say it's very okay, but it's not okay for me because exam you need to know your answers are correct or not. So you should have that skill of double verification. Okay, so we have still last 2 minutes with us. Anyways, I'm not discussing a new question with you all because next lecture we will take all together a new question. Okay, and one thing students, next lecture I'll be starting with type 2. Okay, so I'm informing everybody in advance. So I'll be starting with type 2. So don't miss on to the lectures. Okay, yeah. Because I think now enough of type 1 is done. Okay, Abhi, according to me, you guys are very fluent with the types of cost also, and you guys are now fluent with the inner and the outer column totaling also. Now you guys are fluent with this concept of profit on sales and profit on cost. Okay, so all these concepts are very important to be first cleared out with, and then I can start with then type 2. Okay, there may be similar sums of type 1, which I will inform to you all. So next lecture, we'll be doing question number 5. Okay, we will start with type 2 in the next lecture. ठीक है, मैं पहले से एडवांस में आपको इसके लिए बता रही हूँ so that you are ready with the question I have already given it in the group, correct? So this is my type 2, right? So next lecture we are going to start with that. Clear everyone? Are things clear to everyone? And keep revising, that is also important. And this OneNote book I will share with you all when the chapter is done. Okay, I'm using this OneNote app. So for me also, the notebook is ready. I will share.